Darth Gives Advice Chat 7. Dear Darth, what are Twinkies made of? I'm not exactly sure, but I think they may be made of the pure fat of Carrie Fisher. Yes, another Carrie Fisher fat joke. Dear Darth, why is Hollywood so crazy? Because they let people like George Lucas in. Dear Darth, if you farted, would it still sound like you? Let's find out. Yes. Dear Darth, do you like Indiana Jones? Certainly I do. He sure knows his way around a German. Dear Darth, what's your favorite part about going to the bathroom? The sweet release. Dear Darth, what's your favorite movie? Tron. In fact, it says as much on my YouTube profile. Dear Darth, what's your favorite Chinese food restaurant? Empire Chicken. Is there an Empire Chicken? If not, there should be. Send in your questions to darthgivesadvice@aol.com, or go to the show's Twitter page or Facebook page or website, which is darthgivesadvice.wordpress.com, or call the voicemail number at 206-338-0557. Use your galactic communicator, and you can ask questions too, just like the other questions that have been asked and answered, which are questions on this show. Oh, yes.